Every year, as the leaves start to fall and the air cools, I get the urge to get my pruners and tidy up my roses. But fall is not the time to be pruning your roses. The trick is knowing how much to cut and when. In fall, your goal is simply to clean up and protect your roses before winter sets in. That means a light pruning, just enough to reduce height, remove dead or damaged wood, and prevent those tall canes from snapping in winter winds. Timing really depends on where you live. Wait until after your first hard frost, when the plant has gone fully dormant. You don't want to prune too early, or you'll accidentally trigger new growth that winter cold will just kill off. If you're in a colder climate, stick to light cleanup now and save heavy pruning for spring. But if you garden in a milder area, you can shape just a bit more, still keeping it conservative. Over pruning in fall can stress your roses and reduce those beautiful spring blooms. So, how much is too much? Think of this as just a tidy up, not a redesign. You'll do your major shaping in spring. Cutting back a bit of height helps to prevent wind damage going into winter. In this case, this rose is fairly sheltered, but you can see it moving in the wind, so I do need to take off a little bit more height. As a guide, you want to aim, when you do the heavy pruning, to get this bush down to about 30 inches or so. Just remove dead or diseased canes now. Do major pruning in spring before buds swell. Keep it light, remove problem canes and reduce height slightly. Trimming to around 30 inches keeps them compact and safe from wind rock. So for climbing roses, only cut dead or damaged wood. Leave the major cuts till late winter or early spring. You'll need clean, sharp pruners, loppers for thick canes, and some disinfecting spray to keep everything sanitized between cuts. Always cut at an angle, just above an outward-facing bud. Remove the top third of the plant for most types, and get rid of any canes that cross, rub, or show disease. Cut back to healthy green tissue, and remember to disinfect between each cut. This simple step helps prevent spreading disease from one branch to another. Before the ground freezes, give your roses a good deep watering. Moist soil holds heat better. Then pile a thick layer of mulch around the base to insulate the roots. And don't forget cleanup. Pick up any fallen leaves or trimmings to keep pests and diseases from overwintering in the garden. Over pruning in fall can mean fewer blooms in spring, but skipping pruning altogether can lead to overgrown, disease-prone plants. A light tidy up keeps your roses healthy and sets the stage for a stunning spring show. So you should resist the urge to cut back your roses too hard at this time of the year. Instead, just clean, protect and prep. Your roses will thank you in spring with some wonderful blooms. Thanks for joining me in the garden today. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more seasonal gardening tips. And let me know in the comments what kind of roses you grow.